This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we're talking about some of the things we use when we're making gummy bears or just general gummy treats, because I have a slight or maybe neurotic, obsessive, crazy obsession with gummy bears. So there's a few things that you'll probably want to get. First, some molds, whether they're small ones like these adorable little bear molds that we have ready to go, or if they're larger ones for other things. Like these are great for a variety of little desserts, but I can also use them to make larger gummy creations. Like if I wanted to make some green eggs and ham, these would make amazing yolks. In addition to your molds, having some sort of spray to spray them with. So think any kind of oil that has a light or no flavor to it is a great way to coat your molds to make sure that your little bears and other creations release easily for you. And then there's a few ingredients that you probably want as well. Anything like dextrose or sorbitol will help to prevent crystallization, giving you nice, beautiful, clear little bears and other creations. Aren't those amazing, right? And other things like we use typically citric acid, but you could also use like potassium sorbate as a preservative. So this will help keep them fresh longer, especially if you're making shelf-stable recipes that you're not planning on keeping in the refrigerator. And of course, gelatin. So we always go with the unflavored kind because we like to make fun, different flavors. And then you can use stuff like juice or even water along with things like candy oils to create a variety of different unique flavors. We like pairing juice with the oils to make more complicated flavor profiles. These little green buddies down here are actually lychee juice along with a little bit of pear. Lychee has a bit of a pear flavor to it, so it really helps to bump it up. And then the added citric acid, that one is a preservative, but two helps to balance out the sweetness. Also gives it just that hint of sour, which is amazing. And then most of the sets of gummy bear molds especially, but a lot of the molds intended for gummies, will come with little droppers which are useful for filling them. So these are just some of the materials, equipment, and ingredients that can give you amazing and awesome gummy creations, which are always fun to make.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.